Hi everyone, I'm Francisca Alonso, CEO of AV Architects Plus Builders. I am here today with David Benson, President of Architessa, one of the largest family-owned tile and stone distribution companies on the East Coast. We're going to discuss the latest and greatest countertop trends for 2024. Welcome, David.
Thank you for having me, Francisca. Countertops have had a great year in home design, and I'm excited to share what we've been seeing.
Let's get started. What trends have defined the countertop space in 2024?
In 2024, residential countertops still saw a large trend with engineered stones like quartz. One interesting change is that customers are more interested in veining or marble-looking products in the sector.
We love to see more engineered materials becoming popular in homes. They're just on an entirely different level in terms of aesthetic and longevity. That actually brings us to our next question. Have there been any standout materials in terms of durability and design?
When we think of the evolution of countertop materials, we have two frontrunners. There's porcelain and quartz. Design-wise, I personally would go with 2 centimeter thick porcelain that has the vein running through the countertop material. And porcelain is just fantastic in terms of durability.
It's a stunning material that allows us to create those waterfall edges we like to incorporate in our homes.
That being said, quartz is also at the top of the list. Man-made quartz actually has resin in the product, which helps add to that longevity.
What are some of the aesthetic trends that you've seen in countertops this year?
Across the board, I've been seeing more veined marble looks, as well as thicker overhangs or even full panel waterfalls on kitchen islands. So it's amazing when that countertop runs over the edge. It's more durable, easier to clean. Then we're also seeing more use of slabs on backsplashes in the modern kitchen.
I love how that creates such a statement and pulls the kitchen together. Not to mention, it's so easy to clean. Speaking of which, do you have any advice on maintaining these materials?
We have a plethora of care and maintenance for many products on our website at architessa.com. All you have to do is type care in the search bar and you'll see the care and maintenance page come up. We'll also drop a link for you in the description below.
Tell me about some standout cost-effective countertop options this year.
When it comes to affordability, I would recommend that customers look at granite countertops.
Right.
With the prices of quartz, marble, and even porcelains exceeding over $30 a square foot, or even double that, granite prices have actually remained steady.
Right.
And can be a good option for those who want a durable surface without the higher price tag.
Last question. What was your top countertop material in 2024 and why?
Here at Architessa, we mainly focus on natural stone and porcelain slabs. So I think that is partially why we are still seeing porcelain as the front runner, with a marble look at the top of the list in 2024. I would say a close second, and just industry-wide, you are seeing more quartzites being used, which is a natural product.
David, it's been great hearing about all these amazing countertop trends. What's the best way for people to get in touch with you if they're interested in learning more?
For more information on Architessa, please feel free to reach out to us on our website at architessa.com. Or you can find me on Instagram at DC Tile Guy.
If you're ready to start designing the custom home of your dreams, reach out to us at AV Architects Plus Builders. Visit our website at avarchitectsbuild.com or call us at 703-865-5065. We'd love to help bring your vision to life. Thank you for watching.
And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.